And this is eternal life, that they may know you, the only true God, and Jesus Christ whom you have sent. Yun po ang eternal life, to know God and to know Jesus was sent by God. So knowing God is having a relationship with God. And how will we know if we have a relationship with Christ, with God, is the way we treat each other. How we treat each one of us is how we have relationship with God. Love God and love others. If we truly love God, kailangan nakikita ito, it should be evident in our love to others. If we love even the least, yung mga kaaway natin, kung kaya natin silang mahalin at patawarin, then that is the reflection of our love to God.